Hey everyone, and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. The Sophisticated Ladies Club is doing our annual all-white party. I am filming this at 5:30 p.m. right before we are supposed to debut tonight at 7 o'clock p.m. I was trying to do my outdoor tablescape, but because of the frogs and the rain, y'all know. So I hope y'all sit back and enjoy, and make sure to go over and visit the playlist and check out all my lovely ladies. Tammy Thompson from Thompson-TVMG. It's Just Me Robin, but she's changed her name now. It's Table Talk Robin. We have the lovely Tamara, Love My Babies Forever, and Miss Penny at Penny's Place. We hope that everybody had a good time when you did your tablescape or your outside series or anything that had to do with the annual all-white party. I will talk to y'all soon, and always, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it.